Welcome back to Griddle Grub, everybody. Today we're going to be making a chicken quesadilla. We got a lot of good stuff going into this, so let's get it going. Alright, so here we go. We got some chicken breast here that's all diced up. That's about a pound. And then over here we got some yellow onion. We got some homemade salsa right here. My mouth is watering on that. Right here we got some big burrito shells. That's what we're gonna make this thing with. And we got some tomato, diced up jalapeno, red pepper, cheese, and we're gonna throw some of this taco seasoning from Costco. We're gonna throw some of that on there. That stuff's pretty good. So let's get it going. Had some technical difficulties, but we got the oil on. We're at about 400. I got the onion and the red pepper on. Let's throw this jalapeno on, my favorite. All right, just get it tossed on. All right, so that's cooking up good. We already got a little char going on there, so I'm gonna get that. Actually, I'm gonna turn it down a smidge. Turn it down just a little bit to like a medium high. Let's get this chicken on. Already got all the oil. There we go. Well, I'm not going to put it all on because I got to make my daughter something after. Oh, got some of the juices. Oh, maybe it all is going to go on there. There we go. We're good. We're good. Leave you right over there. All right, let's move this around. Alright, we're looking good. Alright, we're just going to let this stuff cook up. I'm going to wait. Let's go ahead and... I'm going to wait on the seasoning. I'm going to wait. Alright, let's get this chicken turned up. Yes, sir. Cooking up real good. Alright, just keep that going. Alright. Is done almost, so I'm gonna put a little bit of that on there, not too much. It doesn't go as far as it looks, so I'm just gonna toss that around. Oh, that has an amazing smell. Recommend you go to Costco and pick up some of that. All right, now we're just gonna let that keep cooking over here on the hot side. Let's get these veggies, see how we're looking here. And we are done. Veggies are done. Alright, I'm gonna put the veggies all the way over here in this corner. I have, let's see, off, low, all the way low, and medium over here. So we're looking good. As soon as this chicken's done, we're gonna start building this thing. Got a large tortilla. I'm just gonna cook it on both sides for about 10 seconds or so, and we'll start putting it together. Let's give this thing a flip. I got just these two burners on low right now. So we're nice and loose. All right, let's give it, ooh, it's hot. Oh, baby. Look at that. Got some nice char going on there. Got some crusty cheese. Ooh, this is gonna be good. Let's get this thing off and cut it. That's got some weight to it. Let me put this in my pocket. I'll make sure we don't spill nothing. Ooh, yes. Man, I'm gonna bring you guys in so I can cut this thing. Ooh, buddy, let's give this a try. Oh, it smells delicious. And this homemade salsa is legit. Dip it in there. First thing I got, nice crunchiness on those veggies. And definitely them tomatoes. Got that in there. Oh, that seasoning on that chicken is delicious. That creaminess from all the cheese. Got the kids playing out there. Let's get a little more of this salsa. Got a real nice bite on that salsa. Got some good spice. Them jalapenos aren't really spicy. This time of the year, I don't know, we can't get hot jalapenos around here. That's all I got. I'm gonna get in, eat my dinner, watch The Mandalorian, have a good weekend. Appreciate you guys coming along. Smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you like what you see, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.